The 2026 Kymco CV3 officially confirms its position as the world's most powerful three-wheeled maxi scooter. With an updated engine that now meets Euro 5 plus emission standards, Kymco has successfully combined the riding comfort of a three-wheeled scooter with the aggressive performance typical of a two-wheeled sport touring motorcycle. Equipped with a powerful 574cc liquid-cooled inline twin engine, it completely redefines the three-wheeled market, producing 51 horsepower and 54.4 newton-meters of torque. This configuration offers unmatched high-speed refinement and aggressive mid-range acceleration. The engine uses a 270-degree combustion sequence that performs and sounds like a powerful V-twin motorcycle. Power is delivered through a smooth automatic CVT and an open-ended belt drive. The dashboard features a 6 or 7-inch TFT display that integrates Kymco Nudo mobile phone connectivity, navigation maps, and a 3-tire pressure monitoring system. Cruise control, standard 3-step heated grips, traction control that can be activated or deactivated, a 2-position adjustable windshield, and an ergonomic seat with adjustable backrest ensure long-distance comfort. The CV3 excels on the road. The underseat compartment can safely store a full-face helmet, but is slightly smaller than wider commuter scooters. Kymco offers an optional GT package featuring side panniers and a matching top box for significantly improved handling. Braking is handled by a 250mm front disc and a 260mm rear disc, supported by advanced Bosch dual-channel ABS and a foot brake with a combined braking system. A built-in electronic suspension lock allows the scooter to stand completely upright when stopped, eliminating the need for the rider to plant their feet on slippery or wet asphalt. The 2026 Kymco CV3 stands out as the world's most powerful three-wheeled maxi scooter, offering an appealing blend of motorcycle-grade handling and maximum touring stability.